The next pitch, swing and a miss. Went with the cutter. Strike three called. Painted the outside corner. The pitch to him, and strike three called.
To the top of the fifth, scoreless. Alonso anchoring the line. One pitch and one out. Two pitches and two outs.
He's a great story where he came from and what he's been able to accomplish with Milwaukee.
One of the longest hitless streaks. Well, that was a pretty easy breezy inning for Corey Kluber.
The wind and the 1-2 pitch. Strike three called. He jumped back from a fastball right down the middle.
Weak ground ball. Kipnis, a little flip. And that will end the inning. Pujols is stranded.
Swing and a miss. Struck him out. Looked like a changeup down and away. Strike three call. He took a fastball right down the middle.
There it was. And he jammed him enough to keep it in the ballpark. As a manager, that's what you want. You know you have that in the bank as far as a pitcher that's going to go deep in the game so you can utilize your bullpen.
His next offering, a swing and a cue ball hit towards the first base foul line. Kluber gloves. He tags out Simmons. Ball game. Corey Kluber with a complete game effort. He only needed 98 pitches to shut out the Angels 3-0. And he ends it himself on a dribbler off the end of the bat near the first base foul line. He gloved it, tagged out Andrelton Simmons, and the Indians get what is a rare commodity in baseball these days, a complete game shutout.